working with, I love how I just like dive head first into these wigs. Like, this is the hairline. Looks really good. What I want to do is do a, I kind of want to flip over. Oh wait, where am I? This is the wig, just like straight out the box. I tinted the lace and threw it on. Not bad. I did see a lot of the girls are cutting her. I can see why. It's really big. But what I'm trying to have happen, something like that. Little tendril in your face. Something cute like that, you know what I'm saying? Something slight. I can already see it's very versatile. Honey, you get like 3 wigs in one with Miss D. It's big, so if you don't like big hair, then I wouldn't go for her. Very big hair friendly. I see with the revised Perfect Hairline units, they are big head friendly. I have a circumference of 22.5 centimeters, the average, even though my head feels large, you know, large brain. So yeah, it's really big head friendly, which is good. Big head friendly, versatile. Price point is included in the specs on this side of the screen right here. And yeah, I can't see this wig being like really cute in any other colors, but I'm feeling this little flip over right here. I saw Trendy K review and she kept it long because everybody else had cut it short. So I was like, is Dominica still popping like she was popping back whenever she was released? Because I've been looking for my girl for like a year. And she's cute. She's just really big. Really big. I can see like going through and like cutting some of the tracks out, but I don't do all that work for synthetic hair. I'll do that for some human hair, but I like to give the look that I want to give. I was going for like a deep wavy, but it's giving me deep curly dupe. I will give her a 4 because she looks like how she's supposed to look. Doesn't shade too much. The hairline looks better than one of the other units I've tried recently, which is weird because they're in the same sub line. Same brand, same line. I don't know. A little bit of inconsistencies there. This is giving, it's giving like every day in the fall. So I found her, which is like yay, but I'm gonna have to wait to put her on because I'm thick. Plus thick hair. I like big hair, but thick hair is just heavy and hot for no reason. So thank you for watching. If you want to see more hair reviews, hairstyles, travel, hit me up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends.